Every time when you unlock your phone, the first thing you see on your home screen is the wallpaper that you have applied. Once you change the wallpaper, it feels like you are using a brand new smartphone. With that being said, in today's video, we will be taking a look at 5 amazing applications from where you can find some gorgeous wallpapers to make your home screen stand out. As always, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, the first application on this list goes by the name called Wavy Walls. This is a brand new application that I recently came across and it has a beautiful collection of wave pattern based wallpapers. All these wallpapers follows the Android 12 pastel color scheme and they look absolutely stunning on your home screen. There are plenty color options, different shapes and patterns that you can choose from the category section, and the best part is they are all super high quality wallpapers. If you like using pattern based wallpapers to customize your home screen, then I'm sure you're going to love this application. Now if you like any of these wallpapers, simply tap on it and you get the option either to download or set it directly on your home screen. For the price of free, I will highly suggest you to give this one a try. Links to all the applications will be listed down in the description below. Next up, we have an app called Fresh Walls. This is an all-round wallpaper app where you can find all kinds of different wallpapers for your home screen. It's got everything you can think of when it comes to wallpaper. Basically, you get a huge collection of wallpapers and I'm sure once you open the app, you will definitely find a wallpaper that suits your taste. Not only the collection is great, I also like the UI of this app. It has a great looking UI where you get all the recent wallpapers in the first page. And you can also choose wallpapers based on different categories and colors. Even though it's got a bit of everything to fulfill your wallpapers need, I personally like the Superheroes collection. They are absolutely stunning to look at. The best part is all these wallpapers are completely free, so make sure you check this one out. Smudges is a really nice application filled with a bunch of beautiful gradient based wallpapers for your home screen. If you like creating minimal setups on your phone, then I think these walls would be an excellent choice. Not only they look great, but they also gives you a relaxation feel every time when you unlock your phone. Honestly, I really like the pastel shades and gradient style wallpapers. Needless to say, they are high quality exclusive wallpapers and you are not going to find them anywhere else. Well, it's the only paid application that we have on this list, but thanks to the developer I do have 20 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. The next app on this list is called Live Loop. If you really want to step up and change the entire way how your home screen look, then this app is perfect for you. It has an exclusive collection of unique live wallpapers for your home screen. I know there are plenty live wallpapers available in the Play Store, but trust me, this one has some really nice and beautiful looking wallpapers that actually looks great on your home screen. Apart from the wallpapers, it also comes with a seamless UI which is smooth and easy to navigate. Guys, I have already featured this application in my customization apps video, but since we are talking about wallpapers, it's really hard not to mention this amazing application. Definitely check it out. Next, let me show you a simple way of downloading some really nice wallpapers on your phone. All you have to do is go ahead and join our Telegram channel. There you will find some beautiful and exclusive wallpapers that will make your home screen stand out. Well, we already have more than 30,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, then join our Telegram channel. You will find a direct link in the description. Finally, we have an app called Naturify. This is basically an application that has a huge collection of nature wallpapers. So whether it is birds, plants, mountains, animals, desert, or anything that is related to nature, you will find such kind of wallpapers in this app. There are a lot of different categories and these are high quality wallpapers. If you want to download them, just select it and here you get the option to save or set it directly on your home screen. The app also comes with an inbuilt editor which lets you adjust the brightness, contrast level and even you can blur the wallpaper as well. Overall, if you find wallpapers like this really attractive, then you can definitely install this application. You can find all the links in the description below. So that's it for this video. These are some best wallpaper applications that you should definitely install on your Android smartphone. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite application, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.